Amidst the ongoing blackout in Kashmir, a video of bloodied bodies on a road in Mirpur went viral on social media. It was called Staged, but here's what our investigation actually found and what it couldn't. On July 28th, hours after polling opened in Azad Jammu in Kashmir, a clip and an image began circulating on X. Both showed the same incident in Mirpur, but both were called fake, with the video staged and the image AI generated. We traced the image back to an earlier, blurrier version posted nearly 30 minutes before the viral one, shared by PTI's official accounts. AI detection tools and SynthID check found no signs of synthetic generation. Running the older photo through an enhancement tool produced the same suspicious distortions critics pointed to. It wasn't AI. It was a real photo, only altered by enhancement software. Even though conclusive determination of the image is impossible due to the JAAC account no longer existing, the sharing patterns observed suggest that those spreading the narrative of the group sharing an AI-generated image to garner sympathy were actually using a doctored image themselves, whereas the real image was different. The video, on the other hand, was traced to BBC Urdu's July 29 coverage of the clashes in Rawalakot and Mirpur. A reverse image search found other angles of the same moment. None showed anyone standing up or walking away, as the staged caption claimed. Instead, officers were seen apparently dragging two seemingly injured people towards a police vehicle, while gunshots and a fleeing crowd were audible in other clips. But here's the limit. Confirming what actually happened needs someone on the ground, and for over a month, contacting sources in AJK has been nearly impossible. While that makes it harder to fact-check what definitely happened, the visuals themselves, when seen in their entirety, do suggest that it was not a staged event. But this and other claims, including disputed footage of the civilians allegedly exchanging fire with the police, remains unverified. This is why verification in this environment is the only thing standing between a claim and its unchecked spread. But as these cases show, it is also becoming harder to do at exactly the moment it matters most, with the ground truth cut off by a blackout. Until that access is restored, the responsibility shifts to the people encountering this content before anyone else does. If a claim's authentication is dubious, if it cannot be traced, confirmed, or corroborated, it should not be shared. Until then, pehle soch, phir post.